and apply it under your eyes like this. I don't need to apply it all over my face because my face is generally dry, so I don't like to set everywhere with powder. Just do it wherever I crease. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. My name is Hala and I make educational beauty videos. Okay, so this what is this video about? You must have read it, obviously. This is a get ready with me for Iftar. Yes, Iftar is when we open our fast. It is Ramadan, and in Ramadan we all fast. We stop eating before dawn and we start eating after sunset every day. Okay, and this goes on for a month, and I think most of the people know about it. So today I'm getting ready for Iftar. It is Iftar at my place. I have already prepared all the food and everything, but this happens with all the ladies. I know this happens with me because I've prepared everything, but I don't have much time to prepare myself to look good, and I can't go like this in front of people after making such good food. Like, I have dark circles and all that, so I'm not going to go like this. So I am going to go ahead and tell you guys that how do I get ready for Iftar in like 10 minutes. Like, how can you do that when you have such hyperpigmentation, dark circles and everything? How are you going to hide this all in just 10 minutes? Okay, so without further ado, let's begin with our video. Because I have a lot of hyperpigmentation and dark circles, I'm taking this darker concealer, which is the Mel Honey 338 L'Oreal Paris Infallible, because I don't have time to color correct and all that. So I'm just going to apply this concealer on my under eyes first, then I'm going to apply a little wherever I have my spots, hyperpigmentation. You know, I do apply it at all these places, so just doing that. And then I'm not going to blend it right now. I'm just going to go ahead and take a lighter concealer. Like, first was 2 shades darker than my, like this one was 2 shades darker than my skin tone, and this is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pecan 330. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it like a little here and a little here. Okay, 2 places, and a little here and a little here. Then I'm going to dip it again. I'm going to apply it under the places, not too much because it's too pigmented, like very full coverage, so a little goes a long way. I'm just going to apply a little here, so it is going to cover everything, and a little on the nose, otherwise your nose will know that it is not loved. Now, without blending it, I'm going to go ahead and take a red lipstick. You can take a liquid blush on as well, but if you don't have a liquid blush on, then just go ahead and take any red lipstick or any pink lipstick and just apply it a little over here like this. This is going to give you blush look because you are blending everything together, so don't worry, this is going to be blended along. Okay, this needs a little bit of more loving, right? Okay, so I've done all of this. Now what I need to do is that I'm going to apply a hydrating like setting mist. This is fixing spray. This is a ceramide fix spray, so I'm just going to apply this. It's up to you, don't apply it if you don't want it, but I like to apply it because it helps with the blending. Just not too much. Ooh, it went into my eye. Okay, just dried it a bit. Now let's go ahead with the blending. I'm just going to pat everything out because that's how I do it. Okay, so let's go patting it all. Don't worry where the darker concealer is lighter, it is all going to mix. See, this area is an example. Okay, I'm going to do my eyes, the last thing. The blush also I'm going to do a little after I do my eyes. So just tapping everything up quickly. Just remember, the guests are about to come, and this is a real get ready with me. I left a little, like 20 minutes, so that I can actually make a video. See, this is blended as well. So now comes the eyes. Just start to tap it. You can do with a smaller brush as well, but just do it with whatever brush is suitable for you or comfortable. You're comfortable using it. I'm just tapping it, doing nothing, and then comes the blush. This is going to be blended with the concealer, so it is going to give you a perfect blush look. You can see it's giving me a very good blush look. Like not too much. If you want too much, you can add, I will apply a little powder afterwards, but you know. Perfect. Now let's go ahead with this one. I'm not going to edit any of this bit. So, and I'm not mixing them together. I'm just blending them. They're mixing themselves. Okay. Just blending it at their place. All of them I'm blending. And because the brush, you can do it with a beauty blender as well, by the way. Just wet a beauty blender. You can do it with a beauty blender as well. But I prefer doing it with a brush because it gives me more coverage. So, that's done. Alright. There is some black spot here which is like giving me, yeah, that's good. That's done. Okay. Whatever's left on the brush, just take it everywhere, blend everywhere together. It's 5 minutes already, so okay. Done. This is done. I will just take the rest of the whatever's on my brush down my chin like this. Okay, now we'll go ahead and set our under eyes. I am taking a loose powder, which is the number 7 loose powder. This is what I take almost every time. I'm going to take it on a powder puff. Just take it, dust the excess off, and apply it under your eyes like this. I don't need to apply it all over my face because my face is generally dry, so I don't like to set everywhere with powder. Just do it wherever I crease. Okay, like this. I think this is a bit more blending is required here. Yeah, that's done. Ouch. Oh my god, everything is falling down. Okay, this part is done. Now what I'm going to do is, sorry, I'm just gonna pick up stuff as well. No edited is this is how the non-edited video is. So I'm taking this palette. This is the I Heart Revolution Praline palette. It's old, but I'm going to use it. I'm definitely going to use it. So I'm going to take a brush and I'm just taking a little bronzing powder and just applying a little over here. You know, I want to give my face some color because I've taken everything, all the color off. Just I've just made it into a very blank like canvas, and now I'm just going to add some color into it. Because it's a rushed up makeup. Whatever is left on the brush, I'm just going to take it on my nose. This black thingies, this is like this. On my jawline, a little. You know, I should look like I've put in some effort at least, you know. And that's done. That's the bronzing. This is all the bronzing that I'm going to do. I'm not going to do loads. And then I will go ahead. Sorry. All my things are spreaded here on the bed. Trust me. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead with a little blush. I'm not going to do a lot, but a little, you know. Some blush is required, babes. You need to look blushy. So, here you go. Like this. I like to apply a little blush over here as well, always. I don't know why, but I do. Also for my eyes, because my eyes are hyperpigmented, and how I tackle that for the days when I have to, you know, do this quick makeup. I take the same I Heart Revolution Praline palette, and I take this bronzing shade that I took on my face on a small brush. You can do it with your finger as well. I prefer a brush. Like, I prefer fingers as well, but right now I don't have the patience for that. So just apply it on your lids, and trust me, it will make a lot of difference. You will definitely see that it gives you a color. It looks like you have put some effort into your eye, which actually you have not. See, it's a lot of difference, both of these eyes, although it was dark before as well, but still it has made a difference. Sorry, the screen is going so, and it's nearly 10 minutes, like it's almost like 15 minutes left in 10 minutes, and I'm mostly done with my face. Okay, this is done. Yeah, like that. Okay, the mirror, why is my mirror going? long. Okay. I do accept that I've gone a little over 10 minutes, but that's completely fine. Don't worry. As I told you, I gave myself a little time, and I am showing everything together. You can do it in 10 minutes. Applying a little highlighter on my inner corner because I love highlighter. Taking the same highlighter and applying it on the higher points of my cheeks. And here as well. Okay, like this, glowy glowy. Done. That's done. And now comes the eyes. I am going to take a kajal pencil. I can find it. I am taking this tattoo liner by Maybelline, and I'm just going to, oops, the wrong end. So just take it and just not doing nothing much, just smudging a little on the lash line, taking it up, making it into a wing, and then just spreading it, like smudging it with my finger so that it looks like an eyeliner kind of. Like this. See? I'm just gonna smudge it a little. You can smudge it like, I forgot, the Maybelline one has a small thingy at the back. I will smudge it with that. Okay, just smudging it here. This is optional. Obviously, if you don't want to do this step, don't do it. You don't need to do it. I just like to do it. Curl your lashes if you have some extra time on your hands. Mascara. Okay. I literally have about 5-ish minutes left. Okay, that's done. I'm not applying a lot of stuff. That's done. I'm going to do my eyebrows as well. I'm just taking, for the convenience, I'm taking this in Coradi brow gel. But let me show you the way that you guys are going to do it. So I'm going to take an eye pencil. Not everybody has this eye gel, so let me apply an eye pencil. Just brush them all up. All you need to do is just draw a line. This is how I do it. Draw a line at the bottom. Take it to your arch. Take it down. Now brush it, like make some lines at the top. I'm just filling the empty areas, like the sparse areas. I'm just filling those, and then making a line at the top to make my eyebrows look better. And then I'm going to brush it. Whatever is left, I'm just gonna wipe it with my finger. It's gonna give it nice and natural look. Last piece is this. Trust me, after this only lipstick is left and my makeup is done. This is the fastest I do. Normally, on normal days, I don't use my eyeliner pencil, but I'm doing it just because I think this is what everybody has and everybody uses an eye pencil. So I'm trying to do the things that you guys do, so that it doesn't make me feel like, oh my god, I don't have this, how am I going to achieve it? So yeah, brush it up, kneaded it from the bottom and then brush it from the top. This is how I do it normally. And my eyebrows are done. Now with the lipstick. I'm going to keep very like neutral. So I'm going to apply this. Just like a nude, and then on top of it I'm going to apply a brown eyeliner, lip liner, sorry. And this is it, guys. If you want, you can spray your face once again with a makeup fixing spray, which I think I will do. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting spray. Why do I open my eyes? and that's it for the day, guys. I am done. It was like literally in 14 minutes. Trust me, it took me 14 minutes, like 14 to 15 minutes. It wasn't long. You can see that how nicely my face is done. Every pigmentation and everything is covered in 10 minutes and not with a lot of product. So this is how you can do it, guys. I really have to go now because the guest will be arriving soon and I don't want to be late for that. So yes, this is it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please do give me a big thumbs up. Please do comment below and please let me know how you find this video to be. If you want any other topics for me to cover or make the videos of, do let me know of that as well, and please subscribe. And yes, with this I'm going to end this video and I will see you in the next one really soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy and stay connected. Bye bye. Love you.